Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is open my Pages document that I want to put on my portfolio. So from here I'm going to go up to the Pages menu and go File, Export to Word. I'm going to click the Next button, and I'm going to save this in an easy to remember place like my desktop. And just to ensure there's no problems, I'm going to shorten the title. And if I want to tell the difference between this and my Pages file, I can put the word Word at the end, which will help me figure out which Pages file or Word document I'm uploading. So I'm going to export this file to Word onto my desktop. Once I've done that, I'm going to come over to my Google Drive, and I'm going to upload my file by coming to the red arrow and clicking Upload Files. I'm going to select the file that I just uploaded, or that I just exported rather. I called it Leadership Word, and I can see when I select it that it's showing it's a Microsoft Word file. And I'm going to select Choose. Now my settings are already set to convert, and you'll see the word converted here. If your settings are, or if you don't see the word converted, then you're going to need to change your settings, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just a moment. So I'm going to come up here to my gear, and I'm going to go to Upload Settings, and I'm going to make sure the first one that says Convert Uploaded Files to Google Docs Format is checked. Once I have done that, I'm going to click on Share. This will allow my document to be visible to anybody who sees it. You have to make these documents public in addition to your website public for the judges to be able to view them. So I'm going to change and then select Public and then select the Done. Now that I have done that, hopefully my file will show up here in my Google Drive. I'm going to refresh, and I can see that it is indeed right here where it says Leadership Word. And you can see that instead of the W, which is what I don't want, which is what happens when it doesn't convert, it's now a blue box with white words in it. So that tells me that it's now in Google format. From here I'm going to go to my Google Sites page. I've selected my website and I've opened it up. I'm going to pretend this is my final reflection. I'm going to edit my page by clicking the pencil. When the editor appears, I'm going to come up here to Insert, go to my last column where it says Drive, and I'm going to select Document. And this will pull up a list of all of the available documents from my Google Drive. And they should show up in chronological order. So here is my first item, Leadership Word. So I'm going to select it, and I'm going to uncheck these two boxes. It's personal preference. It'll work even if you leave them. I'm going to set my height to be 1100 and my width to be 800, which is approximately the size of a piece of paper. And I'm going to click Save. Now it's going to look funky like this until I save my page. Once I have saved my page, I should see my document appear in this space. Sometimes it takes it a second to load. And here you can see I've got my document that I exported, and it is fully viewable. And I have a scroll bar over here so I can go from page to page.